So guys, because I'm still recovering from hernia surgery, I want to show you what I'm doing for some real simple meals. I went to Whole Foods and I grabbed a few slices of their pizza. They have these big slices, you know. So I just got the cheese pizza and I wrap it up in some plastic and I stick it in the fridge until I'm ready to eat it. Now I got the oven turned on, 450 degrees. I'm letting my pizza stone get warm in there too, because you see this is kind of flimsy floppy, but I'm going to go ahead and get that all crispity crunchy again. So we'll set that down on my peel here. And I got some leftover bacon. I'm gonna break up this bacon, just throw a few chunks all over this. It's the easiest way to do it. Don't even need a knife. Just use your hands, break that up, spread it around. Once you got it moved out, right where it needs to be, go ahead and grab anything else you want to put on. I have a little bag of pepperoni sitting in the fridge, so I'm going to throw a few pepperonis on there. I think we're going to leave it right like that because this is thin crust, so we don't want to get it too heavy. I got some Pecorino Romano, a little sprinkling of that. I think will be perfect. Throw that on. And guys, that's going to go in. We're going to throw it right down onto my stone. I'm going to put it in there for about 10 minutes. And when it comes out, guys, look at that. It's perfect. Super crispity crunchy. The edges of the cheese got this little brownness. The bottom is crisp. It's going to totally hold together. It's not flimsy anymore. You get a bite. Guys, the sauce is real nice. They have a nice fresh sauce. It's got plenty of cheese. The crust is good. It has great flavor. This is a good slice of pizza. I like it, and you can fix it up any way you want. The bacon pepperoni was perfect. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.